Hello all and welcome to our reading session for today. Right, let's have a quick look at the vocabulary and the words that we did yesterday. Okay, a, k, an, can, big, big, in, off, of, if, red, and here's a red square, dog, and here's a cute little dog. Okay, so there are decodable words. We can sound those out like this. Dog. Super. So let's look at our trickier words. The teddy bear. There's the teddy bear. My. See. I see you. Frog. There's our frog. Tiger. There's the tiger. Tree. There's our tree. Looking. I'm looking for you. And me. Super. Right. Now let's have a look at our book. Title is Can You See Me? We've got our character hiding in the bushes and we've got the dog sniffing. Okay, off we go. Can you see my teddy bear? There he is in the corner. Can you see my dog? There he is in the bushes next to the tree. Can you see my picture of a big red frog? And there it is. There's his picture of the big red frog. Can you see my tiger? If you look in the tree. And there he is, the tiger. It's only a teddy tiger. It's not a real tiger. Are you looking? Can you see me? Can you see me? And there he is, hiding with all of his teddies. Okay, let's have a look at activity 2. Put in Miss Jackson, off we go. Okay, so our activity is rhymes with tree, does not rhyme with tree. Now, when we're thinking about a rhyme, we're thinking about the end of the word. So to rhyme with tree, it's going to have the E sound at the end. E. So to rhyme, it has to have the same sound at the end. So let's have a look. See. Does that rhyme with tree? It doesn't rhyme with tree. It rhymes with tree. It's got the E sound. Red. Rhymes with tree, doesn't rhyme with tree. It doesn't rhyme with tree. It's got D at the end, so that goes in that box. Me. Rhymes with tree, doesn't rhyme with tree. It rhymes with tree. It's got E at the end. Even though it's a tricky E, it's still making the sound E in me, isn't it? Last one, tiger. Rhymes with tree, doesn't rhyme with tree. It doesn't rhyme with tree. It's got sound at the end. So it does not rhyme with tree. Next. Oh, now we're looking if it rhymes with frog. Does not rhyme with frog. So the ones that rhyme with frog go with the frog, and the ones that don't go in the empty box. So we're looking for rhymes that have the words that have og at the end. Let's have a look. Dog. Rhymes with frog, doesn't rhyme with frog. It rhymes with frog. It's got og. Frog, dog. Sounds the same at the end. Bear. Rhymes with frog, doesn't rhyme with frog. It doesn't rhyme with frog. It's got air sound at the end, so it needs to go here. Next one, cat. Rhymes with frog, doesn't rhyme with frog. It doesn't rhyme with frog. It's got the t sound at the end, not the g sound, so we know that doesn't rhyme. Last one, log. Rhymes with frog, doesn't rhyme with frog. It rhymes with frog. It's got og, frog, log. We can hear that it sounds the same at the end of the word. Okay. Last one, I think, rhymes with red. So it's got to have ed at the end, red. Does not rhyme with red. Okay, let's read. E, teddy. Rhymes with red, doesn't rhyme with red. It doesn't rhyme with red. It has got the ed sound in the word, but it's got E sound at the end, and it needs to be exactly the same sound at the end, so it does not rhyme. Next one, bed. Rhymes with red, doesn't rhyme with red. It rhymes with red. It's got the ed, so it can go in with our van. Red bed. We can hear it sounds the same at the end. Next word, picture. Rhymes with red, doesn't rhyme with red. It doesn't rhyme with red. It's got the yaw sound at the end, so it's not got the ed sound, ed. So it does not rhyme. Last one, this is a tricky word. It's head. Miss Jackson's head. So it rhymes with red, it doesn't rhyme with red. It does rhyme with red, because even though it looks different from these other words, it's got the there, it's a tricky word and it's still making the sound ed. So it does rhyme. Super. So now that we've done that, we're just going to have a couple of questions. So first question is, what can you see? What can you see? So have a think, what can you see here? And now let's have a look. So I can see a teddy, I can see a London soldier stood upright, I can see a tiger, a cat, a dog, another teddy bear, a cat with a scarf on, I can see a dog, and I can see our character there as well. In the background, I can see a bookcase, I can see curtains, I can see the window and the window frame, I can see the door and the door handle here. Lots of things to see in that picture. Okay, last question. Can you name some of these objects? What is this? That is a wheelbarrow. What is this? That is a cat. What is this? That is a pool. Some people might say a paddling pool. You paddle in it. That means you have your feet and you just paddle. You can't swim because it's not big enough, so you have a paddle in the water. You walk in the water. Okay, what is this? A racket. What is this? A box. What is this? A ball. What is this? A tent. Okay, super. So we've looked at all of our different words and we have named them. Well done. Great. Thank you for coming to watch me today. I'm glad that you came and did some super learning. Goodbye.